Welcome back to Mama's Top 10, your go-to guide for everything from road trips to camping nights to quick day adventures. If you love practical gear that actually makes life easier when you're out of the house, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into your top 10 must-have travel essentials for 2026, starting with number 1. The Anker Nano 2 65-watt compact 3-port fast charger. This tiny powerhouse replaces every bulky charger in your bag. It fast charges phones, tablets, and even some laptops, all from one ultra-compact block, perfect for hotels, airports, trains, or anywhere you're juggling multiple devices. It's roughly the size of an AirPods case, seriously compact. This image shows how it handles multi-device charging with efficient power distribution. Here you can see the foldable prongs and travel-ready profile. It's perfect, really. Number 2, Anker again, the Anker PowerCore Slim Ultra-Portable 10K Battery Pack. Lightweight, thin, reliable, the perfect emergency power in your day pack, tote, or purse. Enough juice for multiple phone charges without weighing you down. Look how slim this is. It's practically phone-sized. This image shows the USB-C in-out ports and durable casing. And this shot highlights its drop-tested, scratch-resistant design. I mean, it's all in one right there. Number 3, the BAGSMART Tech Organizer. Keep cords and accessories neat. No more tangled cables or lost adapters. This compact pouch keeps every charger, SD card, cord, and small tech item easy to find. It's essential for hotel setups and anyone who travels with multiple devices. These are usually available in several stylish colors. This photo shows the organized interior layout, elastic loops, pockets, and the zip sections. And here its compact size, perfect for backpacks or totes. And of course, coming in at number 4, how could we do without this? The Coast G22 100 lumen Bullseye Spot Beam Pen Light. Slim, bright, and dependable, this is great for cabins, hotel hallways, campground paths, or even late-night pet walks. The Bullseye hotspot gives you distance plus a soft halo for peripheral vision. This image shows the unique beam pattern, tight hotspot, wide halo. And this scale photo shows how small and pocket-ready it really is. Number 5, I love this, the MZOO 3D eye mask. Zero pressure, full blackout. You gotta love it. The 3D eye cups let you blink freely with no lash pressure. How cool is that? Total blackout even in bright environments. Perfect for planes, road trips, hotel rooms, or midday naps. This one shows the deep 3D molded eye cups for side sleep comfort. That's what I need. And here you can see the memory foam softness and the adjustable strap. Number 6, the Cabeau Evolution S3. It's a neck support that actually works. A premium travel pillow with a patented seat strap system so your head never falls forward, right? Right, how many of those things you put behind your neck and your head falls forward? It has raised side supports, a flat back, and a real ergonomic design for long flights or car rides. It comes in several color options, and it's great for matching your travel style. This shows exactly how it straps to the airplane seat, and here's the flat back and side supports doing their job. And going along with number 6, number 7 is the Cabeau Fold and Go travel blanket. It's warm, soft, compact, and doubles as a pillow or lumbar cushion. It's perfect for flights, passenger seats, campsites, or even chilly hotel rooms. And this is also available in several cozy colors. This one shows the blanket packed neatly into its travel case, and this image displays the full size and texture. It's made out of French microfiber, by the way. Number 8, you got to have one of these, always, even in your glove compartment. The Nano lightweight packable rain poncho. It's reusable, it's breathable, and it's unisex. This is a must-have for cars, backpacks, theme parks, road trips, you name it, camping, unexpected downpours. Keep one in your purse or your pocket. It's roomy, waterproof, breathable, and it's truly reusable. This shows the hood, the drawstrings, sleeve snaps, and generous coverage. And here's the universal fit diagram. Number 9, the BAGSMART Hanging Toiletry Tote. This is a toiletry organizer. It's compact and it's leak resistant. This is perfect for hotels, guest rooms, and campgrounds, okay? It folds down small, but it opens into a full multi-tier organizer with a 360-degree swivel hook. This also comes in several color options beyond black. This photo highlights the interior compartments and clear PVC pockets. And here's the product dimension image showing its compact size. And you know, for number 10, we had to have this, the Addalock Original Portable Door Lock. You need this. This is for hotel or home security. This is a safety essential, especially for solo travelers. It installs in seconds with no tools, so it gives you instant privacy and peace of mind in hotels, rentals, dorms, and guest rooms. I actually have one for my apartment. I love it. Comes in bright red travel pouch as well. This photo shows exactly how it fits into an awkward swinging door. And here's the compact red travel pouch. And those were your top 10 travel essentials for 2026. But you know Mama's Top 10 always brings the extras, so here are a few bonus favorites that take your travel, camping, or day trip setup to the next level. Let's get into it. Bonus number 1, it's a portable motion sensor alarm. Because you have the door lock for the hotels, campers, you need something, or even for your vehicle. This is compact campsite or vehicle security. It detects movement and blasts a 125 decibel alert with flashing lights. Gotta have one. Bonus number 2, the Venture Pal Foldable Backpack. This day pack is ultralight for theme parks, museums, hikes, or even extra carry-on space. It comes in many colors. Bonus 3, you gotta have a mini first aid kit. This is a 100-piece compact set. It's small, it's organized and essential. Perfect for glove compartments, backpacks, travel totes, or even emergency kits. It's just right. Bonus number 4, I love this one. Oh my God, look at this color. Cedar Summit Aeros Ultralight Pillow. This is in Aqua. It inflates in seconds, weighs almost nothing, and adds surprising luxury to any campsite or travel night. It comes in Aqua, Seafoam, and Gray. It's very nice. Bonus number 5, the HYDAWAY Collapsible Silicone Water Bottle. This folds flat. Okay, as you can see in the photo, it's leak-proof, lightweight. It's great for airports, day trips, hikes, and road travel. It's available in Seaside, Sandbar, Raspberry, Coral, Midnight, Ice Blue, Bay Salt, and Agave. And lastly, bonus number 6, the Wise Owl Microfiber Quick Dry Towel. This is super absorbent, it's fast drying, feather light. It's perfect for camping, beaches, gyms, swimming, or travel. And this is available in multiple colors and sizes. All the Amazon links are below. If you'd like to check out any of today's gear, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new Top 10. And thank you for spending your time with me today. I appreciate it. Leave your comments for me. I'd love to hear what you're interested in and what else you'd like to hear from Mama's Top 10. And as always, I'll see you on the flip side.